I've always wanted to visit India to experience Ladakh and see the Taj Mahal. Last May I did, and it was an amazing experience. After almost 24 hours of travel, I reached the city of Amritsar in the Punjab State of India. I explored the Harmandir Sahib, or the Golden Temple of Amritsar. It is not just a house of worship of the Sikhs, but also a major tourist attraction in the city that promotes brotherhood and equality. I also checked out the Wagah border crossing, where locals and tourists flock together to witness a 30-minute ceremony. It is a fun and entertaining program within the India and Pakistan border. Then I finally arrived in Ladakh. I flew from Amritsar to Srinagar in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, then took a shared taxi to Kargil in Ladakh district. After spending a night in Kargil, I arrived in Leh Ladakh. It is one of the places I was really looking forward to visit during my India trip. And then I finally saw the world-famous Taj Mahal, one of the new 7 wonders of the world. That's it, guys. If you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, adios!